All right, some of you were having a problem with this lab, right? So you've had to do already some of the stuff that I asked you to do, which was create ADDS, right? Put the domain, put it your name .local, and then you had to join the domain. I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, so then you're going to go here, right, on your workstation. You're going to go to settings, and it's going to come up. I think it's so slow. Oh, there it is. Then you go about, and then you go advanced system settings. You go to computer name. You're going to change. Forget about this because I already did it before. That's why I have to change it. So then you put, what are you going to put? You're going to put Rodriguez or your last name dot local. Whatever you named it here, right? You named it Rodriguez dot local, and it should give you this, right? And then you put administrator and then the password for administrator. It never occurred. Oh, local, not the right one. I forgot what the. Oh, no, you have to put Rodriguez. Uh, you put administrator slash Rodriguez. Or Rodriguez dot. It's one of these. Hold on, we'll figure it out. And you put password. I think it's Rodriguez.local. Rodriguez.local slash administrator. Right? Username or password incorrect. Let's see. I think I have the password wrong. Permission to join the domain. Let's see. Yeah. So you just put the administrator and the password. Right? So now I'm in the local domain, right? I gotta restart. I'm not gonna restart, right? In order for it to take effect. Now, you guys have a problem with what IP? So here it is. Use this IP right here for the workstation, and then use this IP. This is what I did it. This IP for the server. Let's see. CMD. Oh, CMD. All right. IP config. All right. So that's what we use for the works. This is the workstation. This is the server. So take a look at that. And then DNS, which is the big one, is really here. All right. Open. Change adapter settings. What can you mean I had appropriate files to share it? I gotta do ipconfig slash all. Gonna have to redo this because there's something wrong with the admin local. So the DNS is here. I put 127.0.0.1 and I put yeah. Basically I followed this guy's video and I'll post this also. This guy was pretty good. Let's see. I followed this guy's video. this guy. I'll post it in the chat. I'm sorry, not in the chat. In Blackboard. See how he has it here? Right? He's going in there. Change adapter. He goes back and forth a lot, so I'm going to skip it. All right. Right. And then he did here something a little different. I like the way he did okay. Yeah, just changing the name there. So this is what he did here, right? He put the DNS of what he did was this is the he put this whatever this IPv4 was as the DNS, right? Where's the workstation? Here's the workstation. So let me go in here. Ethernet, change adapter settings. IPv4. See, he just did this. Preferred DNS. He put the IP address in the workstation of the IP address of the server. Then he put 8.8.8.8. He left this obtain an IP address automatically. And he gave him an IP address. He gave him an IP address. I've never seen anybody do it this way. I've never seen it. It's brilliant actually. It actually works. So feel free to do it like that. I had to reboot it, right? It wanted me to reboot it. And to verify that you got this one connected to the server, your workstation, you can go in here, tools, Active Directory, users and computers. Go to computers. That's your local machine. Right? Remember that you put in your last name? That's it. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. I created a user name here, Derek Jeter, right? And we're gonna create users ourselves. I think in the next week or two. So then you log in Rodriguez slash D Jeter and then whatever the password is. So if I go here, this is booting up. We'll let that boot up. So if I go in here and all right, other user, if I put Rodriguez dot D Jeter and I put the password, I think this is the password. Might be dot local. Dot local. That's not the password. This thing is. Oh, honey. Yeah. See, it logs me in. It logs me in. It should log me in. Let's see if it does. Usually the first time it takes a little bit. So let's see. I'll pause it. It's taking too long. But basically, you don't have to create a user to show me. Just uh show me that you can't even ping it, but just show me in the server here in Active Directory users and computers that your computer is there, right? And then kind of like show it like this, right? And then you can take the video or whatever of it like that, and that's perfectly acceptable. Doing it like that. All right. I hope this video helps. Uh, if not, hit me up for questions. I know another student was working on it. I don't know if he figured out another way. I'll take a look at his video and I'll see if it's good enough. I'll post that also. But I'll post this video and then the link for the other guy.